Hi there, it's me, Miss V, DIY Fix It Yourself, and today we have the ceiling repair for drywall. The leaky bathroom pipes upstairs had to be repaired and it caused damage to the ceiling in the kitchen below. So let's replace the ceiling drywall together and get a finished look. We had to wait for the flooring to dry out and we placed new insulation there first. So it looks good. There's a hole in the ceiling that needs to be filled in. I'm going to square this hole up. So all I have to do is cut a square and put back there. And after I do that, I'll show you how I get up there on the ladder and square it off and get a true measurement and make sure that it's done well. And so now, to rectify it, you might run into this as you're putting up drywall on the ceiling. You'll see there's a separation. You'll probably have to try to put that back up and try to screw it back to the ceiling as best you can with a plate or something and get it into the wood beam here. Make sure that the hole is a complete square and also leave space so that you can screw the drywall piece into the filled hole. Now that I have my piece, I'm going to take this upstairs. Okay, it looks like I'm using 1 1/4 screws to hold this up. And the owner has asked me to not continue on creating another passage because they may have to repair the plumbing again. And so they wanted to have easy access to this. So I'm going to just screw this together real quick to fill that hole, and then they can sand it and tape it if they want to. That's the best I could do. If a client asks you to do certain things, and you just do it the way they requested. Finally, the drywall is up. Now to tape it, mud, and sand the edges of this drywall piece. Make it look smooth and like there was never a hole there in the first place. Well, this project can take up to 3 hours when you have all your tools, screws, ladder, tape, and mud. And if I can do it, so can you. You can make it look great. So have at it.